Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to look at a very useful tool in Windows, Device Manager. If you are facing problems with Wi-Fi, sound, USB, etc. on your computer, in today's video I will teach you how to find and fix them. Device Manager is a built-in tool in Windows. Using it, you can view and manage all the hardware devices connected to your computer. Simply put, it is the hardware control panel of your computer. Using Device Manager, you can check whether the hardware on a computer is working properly or not. Here you can install drivers, update drivers, and fix driver not found issues. Also, using Device Manager, you can disable and enable a device. Here we will only see driver files for devices connected to this system. We are going to understand what a driver file is, why it is important, and how it works inside your computer. A driver file is a small software program that helps your operating system, such as Windows, communicate with hardware devices. Simply put, right pointing backhand index a driver is a translator between your computer and its hardware. Think of it like this. Your computer speaks one language. Your hardware speaks another language. The driver acts like a translator, and the two understand each other. For example, suppose you have a printer connected to your system, but the printer driver is not installed, so your computer does not know how to use it. But once the driver is installed, you can establish a connection between the computer and the printer and you can print documents smoothly. Let's see how to update the driver. Click on the hardware you want to update and select Update Driver. There are two options here. Search automatically for drivers, or browse my computer for drivers. If the selected hardware driver is on your hard disk or other storage device, you should select the Browse my computer for drivers option. You need to select the location where the folder with the driver file is located. If you select the Search automatically for drivers option, the Windows operating system will automatically update the driver file if it has an updated driver file. Windows gives us a message that the driver file we are using is the best file, but here is another option. If you want, we can check the Windows Update database to see if there are any new files for this hardware. If you click the Check for Updates button here, this hardware update file will be installed automatically if it is available in the Windows Update database. Here we see a property called Uninstall. This is usually used when some hardware like sound, Wi-Fi, printer etc. is not working properly. It uninstalls the driver file and reinstalls it. Through this, we can replace the corrupted file and install a new file. Then click Scan for hardware changes. Scan for hardware changes in Device Manager in Microsoft Windows is an option that tells your computer to rescan and detect new or changed hardware devices. Now you will see the uninstalled driver file installed. We can disable and enable hardware through Device Manager. Here we can try disabling the network device. Now you can see that the network connection has been lost. If you enable the disabled network device, you will see that the network connection becomes available again. Now if you take the driver file properties, you can see a lot of details about the driver file there. If you take the driver details, you can know the file location and file name. We have already mentioned these things. But we have not discussed rollback. If the hardware does not work properly for some reason after updating the driver file, pressing the rollback button will reinstall the previous driver file. The reason this button is shown as inactive here is because this driver file has not been updated yet. More details about Device Manager will be explained in another video. Thank you for watching our video.